Here we have the examples for the circle. Dear parents, please write the heading for your child. Draw or paste pictures to show the examples for the given shape. Okay, now A is going to be circle and I've given B as semicircle so that they can first allow them to observe things. This is the idea which I have given. It need not to be the same example that you ask your child to draw. So they can observe around, and then along with their toys also they can pick certain things from their toys and see which they can find it in this shape, and they can try to express it on their own. Or you can paste any picture. If you don't feel that they are not able to draw properly, no problem, they can paste any picture also. So I have taken a 5 rupee coin and I have done the pencil shading, so where you get the circle, and then a clock, and then the wheel. So you can show children. See this one. This is a flag they saw for the rectangle shape. While they're learning a rectangle shape, they'd seen this flag already, and in the flag now they can find a circle also. Correct? In our India flag they are able to find the circle also. So it can be found in the wheels of their cycle, motorbike, anything. So they should start observing things which are all in the circle shape. And then go to semicircle. So you can give any other pictures also, but I have just given just a bun which they eat, bun bun. So that you may find it in semicircle sometimes. And then the tortoise shell, and then the crescent moon. So crescent moon which they can easily identify for the semicircle, and you can easily see the right curve in this crescent moon. Okay, so this way you can give them any pictures to identify the shape. So this is going to be their homework activity 1, and the next homework activity is going to be the practice of strokes. This is very, very important. The repetition and reinforcing of the concepts is very important. So please make sure you give a practice stroke, and first line you can write it and give them. What is this? Standing line, sleeping line, right slant, left slant, right curve and the left curve. So you can make them write each of this one row for the whole page. This is the practice homework, and later you can also give them a small assessment. You can say standing line, so the child should be able to write. So they have to recite and write this. Practice standing line, sleeping line, slant line, right slant, left slant. This is the way they will recite and write the strokes. The next practice is for your shapes. You can use in this math notebook, it is very beautifully, in the square notebook can be utilized very beautifully. The lines are already there, the squares are given. So you can make sure children to draw on the line. So they will learn the perfection of the thing, drawing on the line. That is a small kind of tracing only. So they will find it very easily. If you take one cell, it is a square shape. If you take 2 cells, it is going to become rectangle shape. Rectangle also you can give it this way also, but I have given you in this way so that the place is filled properly. And then the triangle, as I said, you can take 2 boxes, keep 3 dots for them. So they will draw the triangle shape, and then the same way this one box can be taken for right bounds, that is right curve, and the next box can be taken for the left curve, the left bounds. The first time you please draw it and give them. Then using both the bounds they will draw the circle. See here, now you got 2 semicircles, right and left, as well as a circle. So this is a very good practice of drawing, and they can draw this whole page. Please give them dots after 2 boxes, leaving 2 boxes. So while they draw, it looks neat. So I have given here, and then I have left 2 boxes another dot. So here they will be drawing the shapes this way in sleeping line. Ask them to draw in a sleeping line so that the next sequencing also they are learning. That is square, rectangle, triangle, semicircles, and then circles. The sequencing also they will be learning. So this is very important. You leave 2 boxes and give them, so that gives them practice of 5 times of drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times in a page they can draw. So one time you will draw it and show. Next 5 times children will be drawing. You can also allow them to color their boxes. Okay. I hope you understood, and children will definitely enjoy this activity, I think. And I would wish you to submit the notebooks through your WhatsApp photos. Please do it in my personal number. Thank you.